Now, to get back to the program, good health means greater happiness. So say the world's doctors. Now, we've all been through the blues that come with the flus and the upset that comes when your tummy is topsy-turvy. Well, if health means happiness, let's figure out how to make us all happy, shall we? For that, I have with me now, live in our Karachi studio, Dr. Amber Hassan and Dr. Ali Asad, who are both with the Khan University Hospital. Is that right? Good morning and welcome to Breakfast at Dawn.
Thank you.
Amber, I'm going to start with you. What exactly is the theme of health, happiness and hope? It sounds so great, I have to say. And first thing in the morning, it brightens me up just to think of it. So tell me about it.
Right, related to health, health is a fundamental right for everyone. So we are focusing for health as a society which is working in CBM, and it's a society of health managers. And we talk about health because health is so very important. And then we say about happiness. Like when you are healthy, you are happy. And if you are happy, then only you can enjoy all the healthy activities, all the health related activities which are going on in the society. And then if you're not healthy, we can provide you with a hope. The hope which focuses on, if you're not healthy, you can be healthy by developing some measures, by taking some steps to be healthy. And we even provide a direction for you to become healthy. One of the program, like being health managers, we are arranging one of the program which is called Health Pangama at our campus, which is focusing on basic little aspects of the health, like how fit are you, the fitness club. We'll be telling people, we are focusing students, we are focusing the faculty members, the management, the staff related to the campus, that how, which exercises they should do, how can they be healthy. We are having a gentle checkup. And these are all free of cost.
Okay.
We are providing free consultation. There are ophthalmology clinics going on. There are dermatology setups for the skin-related problems of the teen girls. And we are actually trying to promote health awareness. We are providing health education because this is one of the aspects which is not fully covered in our society.
Right.
And in all the countries, in the developing countries, it is very, very well needed. This needs to be focused actually.
Right.
So we are targeting on those aspects of health, and we are designing some of the activities. Some of our programs are health awareness programs, and we are focusing on corporate social responsibilities related to health.
Okay.
And we are aiming to develop and design a system where the occupational health is taken into account.
Okay, okay. What is occupational health? And I want you to, because you've been sitting quiet for a while now.
Thank you. Well, occupational health, as defined, is the effect that might be the good or bad on the health of a worker, and vice versa, the worker's health on the work that he or she does. So it is very important that if a worker or the employee is healthy, the output that he or she will give will be good. So I think it is rightly stated by the World Health Organization, as the WHO. It states that we should promote and maintain the highest standards of physical, mental and social health. So health as defined is not just physical, which is taken into account in our society. It is also mental health and social aspects of health that we have to look into. And according to a survey that was done by the WHO, it stated that over 100 million people suffer from work-related injuries each year. And a staggering number, that is 200,000, die from work-related accidents each year. And this is a world figure. In Pakistan, because there's no research done on this aspect, so I don't know what the figures are, but they might be very high. So I think it is very important to look at what people suffer and how they suffer at work, and they should be aware of their rights as employees, and employers should be aware that they should provide better working conditions for the employees so that no hazards or no work-related injuries take place at work. Or even if they do, so what are the benefits or the compensations that can be given to employees when something goes wrong?
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
I would also like to make a point, like we say that the work of a person starts right when the person is right away from his house. When the person just step out of his house, his work starts. We look at the transportation conditions. Many people drive, some people walk to their workplaces, and then all of the hazards they face, the traffic hazards, even that is included in occupational health aspects.
So does that mean that your employer is responsible for you as soon as you leave your house?
Yeah, they should be, because once the person is out, they are out for work. So even these aspects should be taken into account by the employers and by the government plans which focuses on occupational health as a shift. They should understand that there is a paradigm shift throughout in the world. They say if you are healthy and you are safe, only then you can be productive to the organization, to the institute where you are working. Yes. So this is our main theme.
Well, thanks so much for coming on Breakfast and Dawn and telling us all about it and creating awareness to everybody.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
And Ali, thanks a lot. It's a pleasure. As for us, if you want to send in your comments, you can do so on our email address. It is breakfast@dawnnews.tv. Also, keep in mind that you can always watch us live on the internet, no matter where in the world you might be, on dawn.com. Well, that's it from me, Naveen Naqvi, and the rest of the Breakfast at Dawn team. We'll see you right here tomorrow morning, bright and early. Have a fabulous day.